Nursing students, so when you log into D2L, which is the learning management system that SIU uses, you should have this course pop up. So it says BSM program. Click on that. And I usually have my best luck if I go to the content. So then you'll find everything you need over here. So students that started last fall, so my juniors, you guys have your stuff in here. Students that are starting this fall, whether you're in the traditional or the accelerated program, your stuff here is here. And then my RN to BSN students that are on a revolving start, your stuff is basically here. Everybody shares some of these other two tabs. Like I always will put job opportunities in here, and that's available for everybody. I'll put general HESI information in here, and for my juniors, you understand what that is, and my accelerated and sophomores that are coming in, we'll talk more about that at orientation. And then for Castlebranch requirements, if you click on that, it'll bring this up. So let me kind of walk you through this. You'll get to this page. I always have best luck, instead of going here, I always open it in a new window. You're going to place your order. This is a few questions here. If you're an accelerated student, click accelerated. If you're a traditional student, you have two choices. You're either doing level 1 or level 2. If you're an incoming sophomore, you'll be doing level 1. If you're one of my continuing students that's moving on to your junior year and you're looking for your drug screen and background check, you'll be doing level 2. I'm going to click on this one just for grins. You could click on either one. Read through this. It says I have read my order instructions. You might want to jot this phone number down in case you need that. I don't have control over Castlebranch. They're my repository. So if there's a question about Castlebranch, they'll be able to help you better than I will, because I would simply have to contact them. Click to continue, and then it'll talk you through it. So I chose the level 2, which is what my juniors will be doing, and it's that background check and drug screen. So you're going to continue, and it prompts you through what you need to do, either for level 1 for my sophomores or my accelerated students, or my level 2 students for my drug screen and background check. If you have questions with Castlebranch, when you're in there, use this chat feature. I've done that multiple times and they've been great with me. Or you can choose to contact us. They have that 888 number as well as an email address. So there's multiple ways to get a hold of them, and they've been very responsive. So I don't anticipate any problems there. For level 2, we have to have that drug screen and that background check completed by the first day of class in August, which was the 16th. For you to be able to go to clinical. You will not be allowed to go to clinicals without these, and we start clinical right away. For level 1 students, your immunizations, your HIPAA training, your OSHA training, all the other things that are located within your component, you have to have that done by orientation. So any questions, holler at Castlebranch. If it's a Castlebranch question, if you have another question, then feel free to holler at me. Thanks, guys.